Oh my goodness, friends, welcome back to another video. Today this is gonna be quick. I'm gonna keep it short, sweet, simple, quick. I have a new product that I want to try out and I just want to share it with y'all. So sit back, relax, and let's go ahead and get into it. I was in Ulta just perusing and I saw that Shea Moisture just dropped this Kalahari Melon Oil Curl Stretch line. Now, I'm not in the business of buying entire lines unless I feel like it is absolutely necessary, but what did pique my interest the most was the multitasking volume cream. So today, I just want to use this for a braid out, see if it looks any longer, more elongated than it usually does on day one. As you can see, I've already started my wash day process. I'm coming from a silk press. I did a short. If you haven't seen it, go check out my shorts. And so we are just doing a little pre-poo situation, but now I'm gonna go ahead, hop in the shower, deep condition, all of that good stuff. And when I come back, we are going to try this out for a braid out. So let me go ahead and get this started. Quite a bit of time later, and the wash portion of this wash day is done. Like I said, I didn't want my hair to be soaking wet, so we're towel dried. This is from Melon, in case you wondered. I'll try and link it down below if it's in stock. We are going to go in with this acidic bonding curls. It is a leave-in treatment. I'm not going to use this as like my leave-in, but if you watch my monthly hair vlogs, then you already know what's up. Okay, next, like I said before, we are just gonna go in with some of this Guava Slip by Camille Rose. I liked it. I feel like it wasn't really a fan favorite, but it was a favorite for me and Fred. So we are just going to apply this generously to the hair. Just want to keep the strands, you know, good and lubricated. I don't want to go in with too much because I don't know what the hold of this cream is gonna give, and I don't want it to be moisture, and then I ain't got no definition or hold when it comes to like the actual style. That is that. Man, that product disappeared in my hair like easy. How do I want to do this? Do I want a middle part? No, I think I want a side part. Okay, I feel like I have my hair mapped out in my 4 little sections, not your typical 4 sections, but I just have to have a general idea of how I want my hair to lay. Am I the only one that does that? Probably not. Okay. It smells nice. It has a thick, creamy, jelly consistency. I think I'm gonna like this. It's like, it's thicker than the whipped styler from the Camille Rose Guava, I think. I think this might work really well on my hair. I don't want to get ahead of myself. I haven't used creams and things like that in a while, but yeah, let's get into this. All right, for this first section, I'm going in with a dollop. And I'm gonna like try and distribute it through my hair. I don't want to add more water. I will if I have to, but I want to see how this does without adding water. I'm probably, once I get to the top, I'm definitely gonna have to like moisten my hair, but okay, it might be a little softer hold than I wanted, but we're gonna see. We are gonna see. I'm gonna add just a little bit more to the root though. And take it from there. First braid is done. I will say that my hair isn't as smooth as I would like it to be, but it already, to me, looks a little longer from when I usually braid my hair. It usually shrinks up much more than this. So if we can keep it this length, it might really be onto something. And I think I used just the right amount because it disappeared already. I didn't have a lot like sitting on top of my hair. All right, I'm feeling good about this. Now let me keep going. Let me tell y'all all about this since I done showed you. Let me tell you what this is all about. Okay, so the Shea Moisture Kalahari Melon Oil Infused Curl Stretch line contains a shampoo, a conditioner, there's a curl stretch refresher spray, and of course the multitasking volume cream. Now the benefits of this cream is it's supposed to hold your curls. The cream gives type 4 curls 5-day definition, flexible hold, and volume with a hydrating silky slip for easy detangling and effortless styling. It is the perfect curl recipe. The secret is unique infusion of hyaluronic serum, activated coconut oil, and Kalahari melon oil, providing intense hydration to define, lengthen, and hold curls for longer. It does have a nice tropical island fragrance. It's a tropical blended scent of mango, rose, and vanilla for island type vibes and defined curls. You will see your hair go from dry and shrunken to visibly healthy, voluminous curls in just one use. The key is the deep hydration that lengthens curls to make any style last longer. And it says there are no parabens, no phthalates, no petroleums, no mineral oils. Per usual, as I am doing this braid out, I start to get a little heavy-handed, but that's just how I am. I just always feel like I need more product. And I really wanted to make sure my hair was damp because I just felt like my hair was getting dry so quick. So I did spray my hair quite often. It wasn't soaking wet, but it's wet enough that I'm gonna have to sit underneath the dryer to make sure my hair is dry. I do not like going to bed with wet hair, but I also felt like maybe my hair was very easy to detangle. I don't feel like I lost a lot of hair brushing through it and detangling, but keep in mind that I did also use the guava slip for my leave-in conditioner, which is also supposed to have high slip. And so I think that combination may have helped. I apologize for not knowing if it was just this product alone, but a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. But I think I really like the results. I do feel like my hair looks a bit elongated, like the braids do look a bit longer, and I can't wait to see what this looks like tomorrow when I take them down. Okay, now that the braids are down, I can give you my thoughts. At first I was like, I don't really think it's that big of a difference, but I think there's like a slight difference in what day one would typically look like. It does have more volume, in my opinion. I really did I like the way that it feels separating it. And where I used more water in the front, it definitely had a little more hold, but I like the volumizing factor about it too. So I could use this and wear it day one and be okay with it. Slight little shine. I like the body. I like the movement. We're good. So I guess we'll count this as day one. It's Tuesday. I'll come back on Friday. Also watch my month-long vlog in case I check in there if you want to see those in between days. But I'll definitely come back on Friday and show you what my hair looks like because I'm gonna wash it again then. But I like it. I mean, I'm not complaining. Not bad, not bad. I'm back. It's Friday morning, just like I promised, and we can wrap this video up. I am just gonna apply a little bit of K18's damage repair oil to my ends, But let's talk about this hair. I did not do anything else to my hair. I did not re-braid it. I did stretch it just a tad bit yesterday, but nothing crazy. I think that did take away from the definition just a bit, but I'm okay with the frizz. I am so okay with it. So I will say that I will probably go in with a spray leave-in conditioner if I use it in the future, just because I don't want to over moisturize my hair, right? Like if I'm going to deep condition, I don't need a heavy leave-in conditioner if I am going to go in with another cream as my styler. I feel like if I would have used something just a little bit lighter, the definition would have lasted even longer, even though I really like the definition. As far as feeling as if it added some sort of stretch to my hair, slightly. And I'm okay with that. Like I wasn't expecting it to look like I did a blown out braid out. Very realistic when it comes to my expectations with hair care products. But to buy this looking for extreme stretch, no. Did I like how my hair looked on day one? Yes. So I will continue to use this. I might just, but I probably won't use it with the intention of, oh, this is gonna make my hair look longer. Do you know what I mean? I did feel like, once again, I got more hold where my hair was a little more wet or a little more damp. So I'll kind of play around with that a little more. But of course, you know, styling on drier hair, less wet hair gives you more elongation. That's my theory at least. But would I recommend it? Sure. I mean, I don't feel like it's an absolute must-have, but I don't hate it. I'm really surprised and proud of myself that I have been trying out more things from Shea Moisture. I haven't used Shea Moisture since I went natural like 14 years ago, up until last year. But I think this is a really good styler. I will continue to use it over the summer. I really like the scent and fragrance, and I love the accessibility that you can just kind of run out and pick it up on the shelves. But yes, if you have used the entire line, please feel free to share your thoughts and comments in my comments down below. Not gonna purchase the entire line. I'm cool with just using this, but I mean, it was cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you are subscribed and make sure that you have your notifications on, because I'm gonna be back in a few days and we're just gonna do something else. We're just gonna have a good time. You don't want to miss it. Take care. See you soon.